I believe Bitcoin is going to allow people to do what they actually want to do with their time. So I think, yes, you can go work a job, a 9 to 5 job, get paid, and then transfer that into Bitcoin, and you'll be setting yourself up for long-term financial stability, financial security, and maybe even financial freedom. But you want to get to the stage where you're no longer working for someone. You want to get to the stage where you can actually do what you're passionate about and earn a living off that. And you'll always have Bitcoin to fall on. So it allows you to take more risk. So let's say you've been stacking Bitcoin for quite a while. It's done a 5 or 10x since you started buying, and you've been buying along the way. And you've built up, say, 100 grand, 200 grand, 300 grand of capital in Bitcoin. It allows you to leave your current job, take a risk, and actually go do what you want to do with your time. Because, time is the most finite and scarce thing you can give. And to give it to a business or a person, this entity that, one, will probably not appreciate what you're doing. You are just a number on a spreadsheet. Some businesses are different, but I'm talking about, the most common trade your time for money type jobs. And you're giving up your most precious times of the day, whether that's 7 till 3 or 8 till 5, whatever the time is. And maybe you are extremely replaceable in that position, in that job. You want to find a job that you enjoy, a job that you're passionate about, a job that, you work your own schedule, a job that you can, I need to take a day off and spend it with my kid, he's playing soccer today, or whatever it may be, and you can just go. So I'm not saying Bitcoin allows you to retire early, and maybe that is the case for some people, but you can continue working. It just means you won't have to work a stupid job that's sort of a waste of time. And yeah, you're still contributing to society and things, but how's your mental health going? Like, do you enjoy just mindless work? Do you enjoy repetitive work? Do you enjoy, your day being predictable? Or would you rather, start a business? Like my wife, for example, she's really good at making cookies and different baking things. She can make wedding cakes and all these things that she's just naturally good at. I would love for her to see that that's the only job she does. Whatever job she's in right now and whatever job she might move into, is it something she's passionate about? Is it something she genuinely cares about? Is it something that she wants to trade her time for? And I want to be able to support her. I want to be able to, hey, I want you to go take a risk, start your own business, try and see if you can make money off doing something from home. And worst case scenario is I can fund it even when it's not making money because I have Bitcoin. Like, that is the point of Bitcoin. It allows you to do things like that. It's money that's not just storing its value, but it's appreciating over time, and it really opens doors for people. So you got to treat Bitcoin like that, guys. Get to the point where you've been stacking long enough and have an aim to actually head towards a job you want to do, or even start your own thing. Find something you're passionate about, and Bitcoin allows that. Thanks, guys, for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. Just a quick one today. And more conversations coming with other channels, but also some of these videos like this. Cheers.